Hey, how you going? Been over here. It's Sunday, so and it's raining, it's horrible, and yeah, one of those days we couldn't really be bothered. But I'm just gonna pull this, the rest of this this mulcher thing apart. There's a few bits that I could use on that. So I've been thinking about how I'm going to mount this motor up. All its mountings, there's nothing underneath mountings unless I put something on, but its mountings are here. They correspond to the holes in this, which was its original mounting plate. So there's 4 holes, hole for the centre. I'm thinking I can use this and cut it down a little bit, but I can use this. Probably cut it off there or something, turn that into a bracket that comes back up underneath the motor, mount the motor into there, and then that should work for pretty much anything I want to drive off it. And I'm basically a grumpy old fart today. I'll just take this dead man switch out of here, which will also be useful. Oh. Life's all about playing these days, enjoying what I'm doing. Even if it's good and fuck, I'll get out and enjoy it. I'll just dead man out. I'll show you why this is failing very first. Find that in a bit. Oh, we've got lots of redback. It's redback egg sacs, which I don't know what I'm playing around here. Where they were connected to. Oh, God, look at all this. We've got a veritable redback party. Party time for redbacks. Before I get into this, it's going to be a bitchy female in here, not happy about what I'm doing. So probably we'll use this somewhere. I could even use it as a foot switch to run bits of machinery that I might build. It's quite a heavy bit of steel, so it should work quite well. It's almost like a net.